Set up event notifications to monitor activities across your buckets and objects in real time. To get started, sign into your iDrive E2 account. Go to Event Notifications and click Add Destination. To set up AWS, SQS, or SNS as a destination, select AWS, SQS, or SNS as the destination type. Enter a name for the destination. Select the AWS region and provide your AWS access and secret keys. Click Fetch ARN to retrieve available resources. Click Add Destination. To set up a webhook as a destination, select Webhook as the destination type. Enter a name and provide the target URL. Add a signing secret or generate one automatically. Click Test Rule to verify the configuration, then click Add Destination. Once a destination is set, configure bucket-level event notifications. Go to the Bucket section and select a bucket. Click Event Notifications, then Add Event Notification. Enter an event name. Select the event types, such as Object Creation, Removal, or Lifecycle. Choose a previously added destination and click Enable to activate the notification. With event notifications enabled, you will receive timely alerts for key bucket actions.